A man walked into the produce section of his local supermarket and asked to buy half a head of cabbage. The boy working in that department told him that they only sold whole heads of cabbage. The man was insistent that the boy ask the manager about the matter. Walking into the back room, the boy said to the manager, "An old man outside wants to buy half a head of cabbage." As he finished his sentence, he turned around to find that the man had followed and was standing right behind him. "So," the boy quickly added, "and this gentleman kindly offered to buy the other half." The manager approved the deal, and the man went on his way. Later, the manager said to the boy, "I was impressed with the way you got yourself out of that situation earlier. We like people who can think on their feet here. Where are you from, son?" "Russia, sir." The boy replied. "Why did you leave Russia?" the manager asked. The boy said, "Sir, there's nothing but ice hockey players in Russia." "Is that right?" fumed the manager. "My wife's from Russia." "Really?" replied the boy. "What team did she play for?"